Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through that how to transfer your USDT coin from spot wallet to future wallet in Binance app. So let's get started. So what you need to do first is go to your Binance app. Okay, here you can see I have $1. Okay, it's my another account, it's not my main account. Okay, so what you need to do is click on your wallet option right here in the bottom side. After that you can see all your parents here in overview. Okay, so what you need to do is click on the spot icon. After that, if you want to transfer your spot balance to your future, you can do it. Or otherwise, if you want to transfer your future balance on spot account, you can also do it. So if you want to transfer your future balance to your spot account, you have to go to click on the future icon right here. After that, you have to click on the transfer icon option right here in the right side. You have to click on transfer. Then you can see here is two options, spot wallet and future wallet. Okay, if you want to transfer from spot wallet, you can select spot. If you want to transfer from future to spot, I will show you how to do it. Please subscribe this channel and like this video if this video helped you. Okay, so after that you have to click on this bar right here. Then you have to search for your coin that you want to transfer. I am going to transfer USDT like this. Then the USDT is selected. Okay, after that you have to click on the from option right here. You have to select which account from you transfer. Okay, I'm gonna select spot. Sorry, if what you need to do first here is click on the this option. Then you have to click on funding. This is a tricky part. Okay, please see this carefully. Then you have to click on top option right here. Then you have to click on future. The future option is now available. Okay, then you have to click on USDT futures. After that you can see here is an option 2. You have to click on second option again. Then you can see here is the option spot wallet. So we are going to transfer our coins from future account to spot wallet. Okay, after that you have to click on the spot wallet account right here. Then you have to enter the amount, XYZ amount you want to transfer. Okay, I'm gonna click on the maximum. Then here you can see all the USDT is selected. Then you have to click on confirm transfer. Please make sure you are gonna check which amount you are transferring. Okay, after that you have to click on confirm transfer. Then transfer is successful. So how you can check if your coin is transferred successfully? You have to click on the spot wallet right here. Here you can see the spot wallet is now $0.38. So as example, I have transferred this amount to spot. So this is how you can transfer your balance from future to spot. Now I'm gonna show you how to transfer spot to future in Binance app. So again, what you need to do is click on your spot wallet account right here. Then you have to click on transfer option right here. Then what you need to do is click on from the top option right here. Then you have to select top spot wallet. After that you have to click on the second option right here. Then you have to click on USDT future. Okay, then what I need to do is click on the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. I'm going to click on USDT. Then what you need to do is enter the amount you want to transfer. Please make sure you check the amount twice. Okay, be careful. So after that I'm gonna transferring all my balance. Okay, then you have to click on confirm transfer. Okay, the transfer is successful. You may want to use the following products. Okay, whatever, you have to click on OK. Here you can see the balance is transferred to my future account. How you can check it? You have to click on future option right here. Here you can see the $0.31 is again transferred to my future wallet. So after that you can trade anything, any cryptocurrency from your future wallet like that. Here you can see the amount balance is now here. You can see here 0.31 USDT. So this is how you can transfer any cryptocurrency from your future to spot wallet or spot wallet to future wallet. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel and like this video. Peace.